Hello my wonderful viewers, we are back again with another wonderful recipe called Ebbeh. So Ebbeh is one of the obsessions of youths in the Gambia. So almost everybody loves Ebbeh, both male and female, young and old. Almost everybody loves this recipe. So it's a little bit spicy, okay, and it's hot. So if you want to see more of this recipe, please stay tuned as we have step-by-step procedures to show you how you can make this. The ingredients we have for our Ebbeh are cassava. So we already have our cassava peeled and washed, cut. So we're going to add in some water and let it cook and soften. So we've added some water until it covered the cassava, and we're going to let it boil in this and soften. So the proteins we have for the Ebbeh are catfish. So we have a lot of seafood in Ebbeh. So we have about 3 big catfishes that we washed and cut into pieces like this. And then we have crabs, fresh crabs, okay, a bunch of them. And we have smoked fish. Okay, so Ebbeh always have a lot of seafood. So we have fish and we have oysters as well. Okay, so those are the proteins that go into the Ebbeh. Then it's also normally always spicy with a lot of lemon and pepper. So we have 5 big habanero peppers, 5 of them, and we have shrimp seasoning. Okay, we don't have shrimp itself, so we bought some shrimp seasoning, and this normally goes in with the mixture, the spicy mixture. So we have pepper, we have shrimp seasoning, we have 4 maggi bouillon, we have palm oil, and in here we have some lemon. So this is just to show, we're going to use more than that amount. And then we have some tamarin. Okay, so we're going to mix the tamarin with the lemon, okay, and let it soak in that for some time. And then we're going to pound the habanero pepper and add it to that mixture. Okay, so those are all of the ingredients that we're going to use for the Ebbeh. Okay, with all this seafood, the Ebbeh can never go wrong. Okay, so I'm adding in more lemon. Okay, so we have about 2 cups of lemon here, the cups that we use for drinking. So 2 glasses of water, lemon are added. So in the lemon tamarind mixture, that's where the oysters go in. Okay, and the ingredients that we have here. So the maggi bouillon will also go in, the pepper will pound, and the shrimp seasoning will go into the cassava that we're boiling. Okay, so now that our cassava is boiling here, we're going to add in some salt. Okay, and then we'll add in the catfish. So the head of the catfish goes in, okay, because that is boning, so we want it to cook really well. So we're first going to put in only the head, and the meat of the catfish we're going to add in the smoked fish later. Now we are adding in the shrimp seasoning. Okay, this is to give the cassava some flavor. That's why we added the salt and the shrimp seasoning. So we've had all of the ingredients mixed. The pounded pepper, okay, and maggi bouillon, okay, that we added. So we're going to mix this all together. And this is the last ingredient that goes into our Ebbeh. So you're going to let it soak in here for some time, for the tamarind to soak in the better. And then this is the last thing that we add to our Ebbeh. So after 15 minutes of the catfish boiling, we're going to remove the heads now. Okay, and at this stage we are going to pound our cassava. So our cassava is pounded. We're going to add it back into the pot. Okay. We're going to add it into our pot and mix that. So we're going to mix it now until it all dissolves in it. Then we'll add in our palm oil. Okay, after 10 minutes of our cassava boiling with the palm oil, we are going to add all of the cod fish. Okay, we're going to add in all of the cod fish and the crabs. Okay, because the crab is fresh, so we're going to add it together with the cod fish. Okay. And the smoked fish we'll add in later because that is almost already cooked. So we'll add that later. In the next 5 minutes. So we mix it all together. Okay. Now we're going to let all of this cook. So almost we are done. We only have the smoked fish to add to it and the spices that we mixed before. So that's the only thing we're going to do. We're going to add next. So after 5 minutes, we are adding in the smoked fish. Okay. Now we're going to let it cook. All of the ingredients to cook really well. And then we'll come back again after 10 minutes to add in our spicy mixture, the tamarin, the lemon, and all of the other stuff. Now after 10 minutes now, we are going to add in our spicy mixture. That is the tamarin and the lemon, pepper, and some maggi. So there goes in our mixture. We're going to mix it all together and let it cook for another 5 minutes, and then we'll be done. Bon appetit! If you want to see more wonderful videos like this, please do subscribe to our channel, share with your friends and family. Until we see next time, bye bye.